Model, 66 plate Ford Transit Custom 290 Limited non-runner needs engine repair or replacement Euro 6 No Vat. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 108,281. MOT, 1st of September 2025. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 170 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner needs engine low on compression and injectors are missing, everything else is there, could repair it or probably easier to stick a replacement engine in it. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features.